Hello everyone, welcome to our activity session. Today in this activity session we are going to learn about how to prove a plus b whole square by activity method. Okay, so let's get ready. Okay, as you know, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus twice ab plus b square, isn't it? So we are going to prove it today by activity method, for which we will take a square cut piece paper. Okay, what is a square? All of you know a square is a two-dimensional figure having all the four sides equal, isn't it? As well as all the four vertices, that means corners having 90 degrees. Here I have taken a piece of paper that is square shaped. It is already cut into square shape. Okay, now we are going to mark certain points in this paper. Okay, see here I have marked already 4 points. This is the first point. Okay, at a certain distance from this edge or from this corner and from this corner. Say this distance be A and this distance be B. These are distance of this point from this corner is B and distance of this point from that corner is A. So this is A and this is B, and wholly from this corner to that corner it will be A plus B. Similar way, we are going to consider one more point here in such a way that distance of this point from this corner will be B and distance of the same point from that corner will be A. Okay, so this is A plus this is B. That means we have the square with side A plus B, with the side A plus B. Similar way, we have considered one more point here in such a way that distance of this point from this corner as B and distance of this point from the upper corner be A. Similar way, we have considered one more point here in such a way that distance of this point from this corner as the A and distance of this point from upper corner is again, it is B and the upper corner it is A. Alright, so this is the square with the sides A plus B, this side also A plus B. If you notice, this side also it is A plus B and the upper side is also A plus B. So this is our square. Now let us join this point and this point. Similarly, this point and this point. After joining the points, we obtain this figure. In this figure, if you notice carefully, you will see that this is a square shape. This is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, again this is a square. That means in this square shaped paper we have marked some points in such a way that we obtained two squares and two rectangles. Okay, the sides of this square measure A each and sides of this square measure B each. Then similar way, sides of this rectangle measure length is A, breadth is B, and for this rectangle length is A and breadth is B. Alright, if we find the area of this square, then what will the area? A, the square having side A. Okay, the area of the square having side A, its area will be side square. And what is the square of side here? It will be A square itself because the side itself is A. Similar way, for this square, what is the area? Area of this square will be, as the side is B, so area will be B square. Clear? For this rectangle, if we talk, what is the breadth of the rectangle? That is B. And what is the length of the rectangle? It is A. So what is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle will be, what is the area of rectangle? All of you know that is length into breadth. What is length? A. What is breadth? B. So length into breadth, it is A into B. Similar way, if we talk about the upper rectangle, then area will be, what is the breadth of this rectangle? that is B. What is the length of this rectangle? That is A. Then total area, length into breadth, that is A into B. Okay, so let us sum up all these areas. Then we will obtain the area of this square. Okay, if we add all these areas, then we will have, this is A square, this is B square, this is AB, this is AB. Okay, so A square plus 2 times AB plus B square. When we add them all, then we will get A square, that is the area of the square. Then we have 2 times AB, that means area of two rectangles AB and AB. After that, one more square was there whose area was found as, that was B square. If we add them all properly, then it will be, it is A square plus AB plus AB, it is 2 times AB, then it is B square, that is B square. That means area of the square whose side was A plus B, that means area of the square whose side was A plus B was found as A square plus twice AB plus B square. It was the area of that square whose side was A plus B, and its area is A square. So this is how we have proved the area of A plus B whole square, or the formula A plus B whole square equals to A square plus twice AB plus B square, with the help of a sheet of paper. Okay, square shaped paper. You have to cut the square shaped paper previously. After that, you have to mark some points on the paper such that the distance of this point from this corner as A and distance of the same point from this corner will be B. Similar way, one more point here such that distance of this point from this corner will be A and distance of the same point from this corner will be B. Similar way, this side you have to mark another point that will give us the distance of this point from this corner will be B and distance of the same point from the upper corner will be A. Similar way, this side, one more point in such a way that distance of this point from this corner will be B and distance of the same point from the upper corner will be A. Okay, after that you will mark, you will join all these points, all these 4 points in such a way that you will get 2 squares and 2 rectangles. Okay, while joining these 2 points and these 2 points, you will get 2 squares. This is one square having the sides A, sides A, and this is the square whose sides measure B each, and this is the rectangle you will get whose side breadth is B and length is A. Similar way, this is the rectangle whose breadth is B and length is A. After finding squares and rectangles, you have to find out the area of this square. If the side is A, area will be A square, and if the side is B, area will be B square. Similar way, the rectangle, if the length is A and breadth is B, then area will be length into B. Similar way, for this rectangle also, length is A, breadth is B, area will be A into B. After that, you will add all these areas to obtain your formula. That is A square plus AB plus AB plus B square, because 2 times rectangles are there with the same areas AB and AB each. So adding them, you will get twice AB. So it will give you the formula, that is A square plus twice AB plus B square. That means A plus B whole square. Okay, hope you have understood. Now you have to do the same activity, perform the same activity with the help of the paper. Make a short video and send it to me.